Hi everyone, welcome back to Power Up Python. This is Ali from MediaWeb, and today we're going to explain something new called the lists. Okay, now we're going to learn how to store multiple values inside a variable, which means we're going to create a variable and we want to store not only for example, if I want to write Minecraft, okay, Roblox, GTA, Fortnite, Call of Duty. I want to store them, but here they are all a single string in a single double of quotation. So I have to put double quotation here, comma, double quotation here, double quotation here, which is gonna give us multiple errors. Okay, so in order to do that, we have to put square brackets. Okay, so we can store multiple values. Okay, that's a list of games. Let's say I have list of numbers also, which will be like a list that contains many values. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. Any numbers, I can put any number as a value, it doesn't matter. So a list is one box with many items, with many values, because we said before that variables are like what? Variables are like boxes, but every box has one value. No, if we put a list of items inside this variable, it will hold many values. Okay, and then I can print games. When I run the code, it will print it like this. This is my list of values. Okay, if I printed numbers, it's gonna print the numbers inside. Okay, what if I want to print the first item from games? I'm gonna print games 0. So why did I say 0? The item number 0. Why didn't I say 1? If I said 1, it will print Roblox, because the index of every list of every string starts with the number 0. So when we start count anything in programming, we start, especially in Python, we start counting by 0. Also, if I printed numbers 1, item number 1, so it's supposed to be print what? It's supposed to print number 2. Yes, that's right. So basically that is a list. Okay, those are lists, and like Python will always start counting from 0. What if I want to add something to the list? I can say games dot append open bracket. Since this is a list, okay, of strings, then I'm gonna open double quotation and I can say among us. That's it. So after this, when I print games again, I'm expecting to see Among Us at the end of the list. So when I run the code, after Call of Duty, here, there it is, Among Us. So we just added a new item to the list. So lists are everywhere, and as you see, this is just simple like application on lists. What if I want to delete something from the list? I'm gonna use the delete function. If I delete item games number 1, then I printed games. The del is short for delete, the delete function, so I use it so I can delete any item from the list. What's item number 1 in games? The Roblox. So when I printed here for the third time, I'm not going to see the Roblox. Okay, so when I run the code, see Minecraft, GTA, Fortnite, Call of Duty, Among Us, and there is no Roblox because we deleted it. That's how we manipulate the data inside the lists. You can add an item, you can remove an item, also you can replace an item. Actually, you can say, wait, yes, we say the name of the list, we open a square bracket, we say the number of the item. What's the first item in games? Item number 0. It's Minecraft, right? So we say equal, and I open double quotation, and I say Valorant. Okay, then I print games again. It's supposed that this line is supposed to replace the first item, item number 0 in the games list, with Valorant. So he's gonna replace whatever is the first item with Valorant. So when we run our code, see, it's Valorant GTA, not Minecraft GTA. So that's it. And that's everything I wanted you to learn today about lists. Yeah, and of course, in the next video, we're gonna have fun doing some games. And that's it. Have fun. Don't forget to study your lists more. And see you in the next one. Bye.